Remember this? Summer nights lit up like magic. But now, silent darkness. Why? Our concrete jungles crush their homes. Light pollution drowns their love language. Fireflies flirt with flashes, but our bulbs leave them single as ever. Pesticides? Chemical murder kills their food, slugs, and their babies. Climate chaos messes with their rhythm. Too hot, too wet, bye-bye glow. Fix it. First, ditch outdoor lights after 10 in the evening. Second, leave leaf litter and logs. Third, ban pesticides. Let bugs thrive. They are not gone yet, but we need you. Share this. Protect the glow. Follow me for more wild facts.